Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Apex Legends error code 3005 and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workarounds. So the first one, you just have to follow the instruction. You just have to go over here at the bottom. You just have to search for control panel. Click on control panel. Now from here, as you can see, you can either change this to, if it is on large icon, you can change this to small icon or according to your need. Next one is all about, you have to click on program and features. Right now we are having, these are the installed things on our PC, and as you can see, I'm having Microsoft Visual C++ over here. Right now what I have to do is I just have to repair Microsoft Visual C++, right? So I just have to click on this one. Now I just have to go over here. So there is an option called uninstall, or else I just have to go for change option. So either we have two options. You just have to, in some cases you will be getting an option over here to change in the sense you can just change it so that you will be having a repair option. From there you can completely do that. So here I'm not getting this option, and I have no idea. Okay, so guys, what you have to do is you just have to go over here. So guys, what you have to just have to go over here on Microsoft Visual C++ 2012 x64. Click on this one. There is an option called repair, so you just have to click on this one, and you just have to go for OK. Right, so what happens is you just have to go OK. In the same way, you just have to go over here and you have to repair it. Go for next one, repair it. Go for over here. There is an option called Microsoft Visual C++. Just have to click on change, and there is an option called repair also. You just have to go for repair also. In the same way you can do for all these things. So what happens is either you have to repair it from here, so when you select you will be getting an option to repair, or else you have to select the respective one, go for change and repair it. And once repairing is done, you just have to what you have to just have to close this, and you just have to restart your PC and you have to check simultaneously. If it's not working, then we have next one is all about, you have to go over here, search for cmd, and you have to click on run as administrator and go for yes. Now you have to give a command ip config space / flush dns, and you have to press enter. Once it is done, you just have to go for next one, netsh space winsock. Just have to go for reset, press enter. Once both these things are done, you just have to close this and you have to do a restart, and most probably this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.